Well, hello, people who are seeing this video right now. In this video, I will be showing you um how to I will be showing you copying to clipboard in Velo by weeks. Um, so I did a video of how to copy text to clipboard. Um, but this is the second part of this video where I will be showing you how to copy text to clipboard, but this time on an input field instead of on a regular field. Okay, so let's start. So first go to your editor, um, then just add the input, the text input. Um, so for that you will need to go to add and then go down to input, and then you can just get a text input. You can also get a text box if you want, but it's just basically the same thing, so I'm not gonna show you it. And you can also get rich text if you want. You can get text input, text box, and rich text. For this example, and it's just the same code, right? For this example, I choose text input, okay? So I got started with this one. I just put nothing. And now you need to just go to settings on the input, and you need to just set some things, okay? So the type, what you want them only to be able to copy, so text, which is just basically any type of text, and password, which is just password, also number, which is any number, email, which is any email, URL, which is just any URL, and then phone number, which is a phone number. For this example, I just did text. If you want, you can show the field title or no, I did not, and also the initial text, so non placeholder text, default text, and or default text when then placeholder text. For this example, I did none, and we also got this field is required read only. So this is very important. So if you want this field to be required, so that means they have to fill them out. Well, of course they can, but of course they can skip it too. Like that will be good if you're gonna like set your button when they tag an error message when they click the copy button and they didn't put anything to copy on the text input. So for this example, I just didn't do anything there, and we also got read only. So this video can also put it read only, okay? So that's very important. So that'd be good if you like wanted to just be like read only, like they can only copy text that you put in that. But if you don't mirror that, then they can put any text they want. So they can just put any text they want and then copy it. Also, you can set the character limit and the pattern validation and many other things too, but I'm just gonna go on this right now. We are we uh, also you need to set an ID for this. So you see here I put the ID text input. The ID will be using your code later. I also got a button. So I want to add the button, and it got started with this button. I just changed the name to copy, In bottom, I'm not gonna show you there anything, but you can just choose an icon, do it or whatever you want, okay? I just do that, and also the ID. So I set the ID to copy button. That will be later in your code, and the code. Now let's do code, okay? So just of course for all of these you have to turn on developer mode. Just go to open your code or maximize it also if you want. So this code will be in the description of this video if you don't want to write it by yourself. Okay, so I'm gonna go over the code. So first we're gonna import Wix window from Wix window. Then you're gonna add a W and ready function. Then $W copy button, which is the ID of that copy button. So if you put in the ID something else, then you have to put that there, that thing that you put, either if it is like whatever you want. Okay, you can just basically put there whatever you want. So whatever you put it there. Okay. Now let text message $W and then text input, which is the ID of the text input. So you can just put here whatever you want to put text input, but whatever you put there, you need to just put it there. So you need to match it, right? Then Wix window dot copy to clipboard text message dot then text message, which is this text message, okay? The then the W copy button, which is again the idea of this copy button, so it needs to match. Then we also got another of the idea of copy button. Well, it's not another one, it's the sorry, excuse me, is the same one based in another part of the code. um So got your copy button, yeah, the ID. So wherever you put in the ID, you need to put it there too. And then the label copy they put there, so that the message that will show in the bottom when they succeed. And I did copy, but you can put whatever you want during the message. Okay, again, the code is in the description of this video, and if you don't want to do it from the input, if you just want to do it from regular text, then you can see the other video that I did of Velo by Wix copy to clipboard part 1. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you here how this wonderful thing looks. Okay, so we can go to preview, add anything there. Let's just do hello, then click copy. It says copy, that is a message that you put in the code to appear. So again, whatever you put during that code that I just showed you will appear there. And now let's just see if this works, okay? So it says copied. So now we're gonna paste it here, okay? So I'm just gonna like test text, however you don't have to do this. And then I'm gonna paste that there. So as we see, it got it. Hello. So we have in that test hello. Now we can just do how are you? And then when you click copy, then we can just copy it in the text. So as we see, that wonderful thing works, and now that I have told you this wonderful thing, I mean, before telling you this again, So if you want this with regular text instead of with text input, you can see the other video. The only part that you have to change is like a real part here. Instead of putting value there, like you have to put just text, and that's it. Then you can do it with text. Okay, so for more information about it, you can also visit the other video. Or if you need any more information, you can just change that part to text. And now that I have told you this, now bye, this was all the video.